Hi, I'm Goldy. Ever wonder why you always buy high and sell low? It's not bad luck. It's because you're playing the retail investor's game, not the whales. The secret isn't in chasing trends, but understanding the big players. While the fish jump in blindly, the whales move with calculated precision. Step 1. The Euphoria Trap. You see the price jumping, the news is all positive, and the crowd is shouting to the moon. You fear missing out. FOMO, fear of missing out, is the whale's greatest tool. When you, the fish, rush to buy the peak, you are simply giving the whales their exit liquidity. You click buy at the very top. For a moment, you feel like a genius, already planning your future riches. But the market has a brutal lesson waiting. Suddenly, the momentum dies, a massive red candle appears out of nowhere. The price starts falling, faster than any fish can react. Panic sets in. You, the fish, freeze. It's just a dip, you tell yourself, while your portfolio bleeds. You cling to hope, but the market shows no mercy. Negative news spreads, the crowd turns to fear. Friends tell you crypto is a scam. You, the fish, lose sleep, checking your phone obsessively. Finally, the pain is too much. You sell everything at a huge loss, just to make it stop. You, the fish, are defeated, believing crypto is not for you. And here's the ultimate irony. The moment you, the fish, sell, the market finds its bottom. The price reverses and begins a massive rally without you. The whales do the exact opposite. They don't follow the crowd, they lead it. They buy when everyone is terrified and sell when the fish are greedy. Step 2. Accumulation. This is the quiet phase where real wealth is built. The whales patiently gather assets while the market is boring and unloved. They never go all in at once. They use DCA dollar cost averaging. They buy in small, calculated steps to minimize risk and optimize their entry price. Patience is the whale's greatest superpower. If you can't hold through the boring times, you will never participate in the massive bull runs that follow. The market is a transfer mechanism. It moves money from the impatient fish to the patient whales. Which side of that transfer do you want to be on? Stop staring at the 1-minute chart. It's just noise for fish. Whales look at weekly and monthly trends to see the true direction of the market. The best time to buy is when the chart looks flat and boring. When nobody in the crowd is talking about it, that is your golden opportunity to accumulate. By the time the crowd hears about a hot coin, the whale is already preparing to sell. Never buy a coin that has already gone up 100% in a week. Learn to identify the support level. Think of it as a solid floor where whales step in to buy. This is where you want to place your patient orders. The resistance is your ceiling. It's where whales start taking profits. If you don't sell at the ceiling, the market will eventually take your gains back. Never invest your rent money. Stress forces fish to sell low. Only invest what you can truly afford to lose without emotional impact. Whales play with house money. Once you double your initial investment, take your capital out. Now your remaining portfolio is risk-free. Avoid the shitcoin hype trap. Most are designed by whales to dump on the fish. Don't let shiny but empty promises blind you. Focus on real-world utility and strong fundamentals. If a project has no genuine use, it has no long-term value. Value always wins in the end. Don't marry your favorite coins. If the fundamentals change, get out. Loyalty to a coin is an expensive lesson for fish. Trading is 90% emotional control and only 10% technicals. Master your mind to master money. Don't let your feelings dictate your trades. The whale doesn't guess prices, they follow data and clear trends. Stop gambling like a fish and start analyzing facts like a pro. If the trend is down, wait patiently. Don't try to catch falling knives like a fish. Wait for confirmation of a reversal before acting. Your ultimate goal is long-term financial freedom, not a quick win that ends in losses. Think in years, not in minutes, like the whales do. Discipline is the only bridge to wealth. It connects your goals to real results. Stay consistent with your plan every single day without fail. Tip 1. Use cold storage. If your coins are on an exchange, they are not truly yours. Keep your private keys safe from whales and hackers. Tip 2. Follow whale alerts. Watch where the big money moves. When whales shift, you should pay attention. It signals big moves. Tip 3. Ignore crowd influencers. Most are paid to manipulate fish and dump on you. Trust your own research, not their hype. Tip 4. Keep a trading journal. Write down every win and loss. Your past mistakes are your best teachers, guiding you to future success. Tip 5. Stay humble always. The market humbles the arrogant fish fast. Respect the chart and stay disciplined, like a whale. Check the fear and greed index. Whales buy when fear is high. Fish buy when greed is extreme. Do the opposite of the crowd. Don't ever revenge trade. If you lose, step away and breathe. The market will always be there tomorrow, so manage your emotions. Complexity is your biggest enemy. Keep your strategy simple and clean. Overthinking leads to bad decisions for both fish and whales. The best time to buy was yesterday. The second best time is now, but only if you're smart, patient, and follow a clear plan like a whale. Are you a gambler or an investor? A gambler hopes for luck. An investor follows a proven system and manages risk like a true whale. One cycle can change your life forever. Don't blow it in a month. Play the game like a pro whale, not a desperate fish. Your health is your real wealth. Don't stare at charts all night. A tired mind makes fish like mistakes. Success leaves clues. Study the whales, not the loud fish. Copy the habits of the truly rich to build your own wealth. Crypto is a long marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself for the full run. Slow and steady wins the race, consistently. Like this video right now, if you're ready to trade smart like a whale, show Goldy some love and support for more secrets. Subscribe to Goldy Stickman today. Don't miss the next big secret. Join the smart money circle and outsmart the fish. Join our growing community now. Let's build our bags together, safely and strategically. From fish to whale, step by step. Comment HODL below. Are you holding for the long term like a whale? Let me know your strategy and join the discussion. See you in the next video. Stay calm, stay smart, stay green. This is Goldy, helping you master the crypto game. Signing out. Goldy Stickman, finance made simple, empowering you to trade like a whale. Let's win this game together, smart and strong.